All right, everybody, this is Scott Teague with you, Megablast PVC train horns. This is the K5LLA that I'm getting ready to ship out to a guy in Pennsylvania. As you see here, we got the 1L, 1, 2, 3, and number 4. This is tuned to a probably later style K5LLA, still the newer style that had the 2-piece 1L. Haven't blowed it yet, getting ready to test it out. There you see the air manifold here that goes into each individual horn. And we're running probably, let's see here, probably around 140 PSI here. I usually blow these horns probably around 135, 130, but it's up to 140, which won't hurt anything. Getting ready to blow it. Just wanted to show you the horn before we did an audio test to it. All right, we're gonna, excuse the mess here. We're gonna set the recorder in the room here. All right, here we go. All right, that's the audio test. Hope y'all like it. That's the Megablast PVC train horn, K5LLA.